Yo, what's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. We're back again with another hit and a smash and a banger, people. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, Dan Mafia, family. You see what we deal with today. Yeah, we're back in the music club with another banger. Yeah, and these two artists is no stranger to the channel. Two of the favorite artists for us to react to. You already know two of the OGs, so you see me. Yeah, who we are talking about? We are talking about Vybz Kartel and Skillibeng. Yeah, man, they drop a song that I don't know how I'm gonna react to this. It's like I'm slacking, bro. You know what I'm saying? It was them drop a collab like a month ago. I don't know how I missed this. You know what I'm saying? Entitled The King and the Prince. I'm gonna check out it and see what I'm going today. You know, yeah, man, I dropped the ball on this one, guy, but you know, we're getting around to it. How y'all ain't send me no request for this, man? Come on, man, y'all slacking too. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, then we got Vybz Kartel and Skillibeng, The King and the Prince. We're gonna check it out and see what I'm going today, guys. Yeah, Zimmy, I don't know. If you're new to the channel, go hit that like and subscribe and turn on post notification bell so you can get videos as soon as I upload. Be a vibes, be energy over there, so you don't want to miss out. And that mafia, I don't know, me have to check in with you good. You have been taking care of yourself, you've been drinking water, you've been staying prayed up. Make sure you don't know where I was checking, we have to stay up on purpose on our grind. You only have one life to live, so I have to make the most side. But yeah, man. The King and the Prince, Vybz Kartel, Skillibeng drop new tune. I want to react to it, man. I don't know what we are dealing with over here, so we have to go fix that. You see me? Yeah, man, so we'll check it out. I don't know nobody and talk about this and thing, man. I don't know send no request and thing, man. I want to go on. You see me? But anyway, now we'll up the vibes much longer. This Vybz Kartel, Skillibeng, The King and the Prince. Let's get it. Artist the man said the king I want to import thing. So I think this is what Raging King was vexed on social media about. Can say import? Alright, what we see what going on?
What? Long cocky day you feel your gal inna your hole, me ya put it. You want me by the pussy you fi season and cook it. That means say no meat nah yam yet. Beat up the buff like where the elder pan the gram say.
Okay.
School jail.
Yo, for a minute I was worried. I was like, yo, what? If you want me, you have a what? Okay, no, it makes sense. You have to cook that. That means, yeah, only food we cook with. Yeah, man. Okay, that makes sense now. Jano, just I said, me OG lost me a while ago, dog. Jano, all right, let's get it.
Yes, Balmain white tees with Italian genetics. Sashi jeans, get it? The visual aesthetic impressive, and we aim for deliver like every text message.
The man said the visual aesthetic is say Balmain with the jeans, the visual aesthetic is visual aesthetic is impressive, and we aim to deliver like every text message. Come on, bro. Oh, you know, now hear lyrics.
Diamond in a me watch, let's test it. You will set it in a pure gold, yes, messy. The king I want do importing. Any other king I must drinking and smoking. I'm not joking, fuck y'all hard like a rock me. 4 a day during the week, 7 pounds Saturday. She say,
man say, yo, fuck y'all harder than the rock day. 4 during the week and 7 pounds Saturday. Yo, this nigga wild.
Cocky hot, but it's sweet. Musty latte, me a top striker, baby girl. Mbappe, the king I want do importing. The king I want do importing. The king I want do importing. Any other king I must drinking and smoking. The king I want do importing. The king I want do importing. The king I want.
Yeah, man, the king, man. I'm to importing, man. I hear lyrics, dog. Lyrics is still alive, bro. Come on, let's get it. What's Skilly ever deal with?
Skilly are the prince, lyrically fit. Ask world boss, and we tell you I'm the king. No, in a willy car, you not have a skill. Great stuff.
Skilly are the prince, call me physically fit. Ask world boss, cause I him and the king. Come on, man. You're dark, I say, man. Now listen to tune.
In our jeans, eyes stuck in our drip. No for weed, no crack, no going night. Then sang night, like say a bam going night. Futuristic flow, where them a copy, so them boy a weed. Want take up where them can manage.
Them flow a hit like bomb. You see me futuristic flow, them a try copy, them boy a try take up where they can't manage. Man, I say I try copy the flow, but they can't manage it, bro. They might try copy the flow, the energy I think, but they can't manage it. Yeah, easy that.
Check your file, check your statics. More influential, more continental. Top rapid. Like coke, so me sang traffic. None of them no inspirational like Addy.
Man, say like coke or some song traffic. Cause the man have a song named Coke, you know. So man I refer back to himself cause Coke was also a hit. And I was moving and Coke, the boy is killing easy, you know. The man remind me of like remember like when Lil Wayne he used to refer back to himself in all his songs, referring to songs where him already do. That's the same thing Skilly do it, but that shit harder than a bit. The man said like Coke or some music traffic. But him have a song named Coke that was a hit. That was bro.
Psychologic than a
profit biologic. Signs
about this. All your guys around the planet. Alien with family godly run the universe. Not chatting Gaza firmer than a chassis. Guys have done it for him.
Yeah, Adi the king and what do importing. Adi the king and what do importing. Adi the king and what do importing. Any other
king and prince man. Yeah man, king and prince man. I'm telling you man. Yeah man, no found not like it, but in Africa swallow the pill. You see? Real shit. To all them niggas I'm coming and make big changes to the game and do big things like I've been telling people a lot. Skillibeng was one of the niggas I don't see get a bus like that since Kartel and get a similar bus like when Kartel. You see me? When Kartel Kartel's a drop tune and around the place and matter how the match I fight there they couldn't stop it dog. Same thing with Skilly. You see it?
King and smoking, yeah, Adi the king and what do importing. Adi the king and what do importing. Adi the king and what do importing. Any other king I must drinking and smoking.
The man say, Adi the king and what do importing. Yo, people be missing that. People are missing. You see me? People say, man say importing. Now man say, I what do him. You know, Jamaicans be like, yo, I what do him importing. Yeah, man say Adi the king I want to importing. Bala, big up my artist man. You see me, world boss, the teacher himself, king of the dancehall. Yeah man, Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, I bring up the prince. You see me, yeah man, Skillibeng man. You can't get Skilly the prince man. You see me, you know one time I did popcorn. You know what I'm saying? The popcorn was the prince. Cause I remember say when Vybz Kartel I did count popcorn as the prince too, you know. When I might go get it to Skilly. Yeah, Zimmy, cause Skilly been doing his thing, so I can't say popcorn is a prince too, you know, cause I don't know say if a king have two sons, you know, both of them are prince at the same time. So anyway, yeah, Skilly is an ex-prince. You see me? We're gonna keep the throne after cause who knows, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah man guys, that was a banger man. I love the one. I can't believe I missed that one, bro. That's crazy. How did I miss that song? How did I miss that video? That's crazy. Yeah man guys, but yeah man, that was a hit. Like that one. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Definitely go ahead and drop your comments. Drop your comments. Let me know what your favorite part was, the lyrics, the beat, the melody. Who you think took that song? Was it Skilly or Kartel? The prince or the king? Who take it? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Let's chop it up, guys. And if you like it, definitely go check it out. Show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say Jambisco and send you. The link's going to be in the description. And let me know what you want me reacting next, and I'll get it done. You already know. Love the vibes, love the energy, guys. Keeping that like and subscribe button. You don't know. I'm 180 away from 2K. Give me the 2K, and then after that, road to 10K. We're not even going to 5K. We're going straight from 2K to 10K. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Every boy, hit that like and subscribe and let me know what to react to next. I definitely know I'll get it done. I enjoy doing this, and I hope y'all too enjoy watching this video. You know, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.